Belgium. Belgium country of northwestern Europe. It is one of the smallest and most densely populated European countries, and it has been since its independence in 1830. Representative democracy headed by a hereditary constitutional monarch. Entirely. Belgium had a unitary form of government. In the 1980 and 19, however, steps were taken to turn Belgium into a federal state with power shared among the region of Flanders, Wallonia and the Brussels capital regions. Culturally, Belgium is a heterogeneous country straddling the borders between the Romance and Germanic language families of Western Europe, with the exception of a small German-speaking population in the eastern part of country. Belgium is divided between a French-speaking peoples, collectively called Wallons, who are concentrated in the 5 southern provinces. Belgium and the political entities that precede it have been rich with historical and cultural associations, from the Gothic graduates, its medieval university and commercial cities, and its small castle-dominated towns on steep-bluffed winding rivers. Through its bold traditions in painting and music that marked one of the high points of the Northern Renaissance in the 16th century to its contributions of the arts of the 20th century and its maintenance of the folk cultures of past eras. The Belgian landscape has been a major European battleground for centuries, notably in modern time during the Battle of Waterloo and the 20th century 2 world wars. The country has a total of 860 miles of land boundaries with neighbors. It is bounded by the Netherlands to the north, Germany to the east, Luxembourg to the southeast, and France to the south. Belgium also has some 40 miles of shoreline on the North Sea. Belgium generally is a low-lying country with a border coastal plain extending in a southeasterly directions from the North Sea and the Northland and rising gradually into the Ardennes hills and forests of the southeast, where a maximum elevations of 2,277 feet it reached a border range. A large depression now east of the Meuse rivers as the Femmes and west of it as the Fangs separates the Ardennes from the geologically and topographically complex foothills to the north. The principal features of areas is the contours a plateau more than 1,100 feet in elevations comprising a succession of valleys, hollowed out of the limestones between sandstone creates. Its northern boundaries is the Sambre-Meuse valleys, which traverse Belgium from south-southwest to northeast. Belgium has a temperate maritime climate predominantly influenced by air masses for the Atlantic. Rapid and frequency alternations of different air masses separated by fronts gives Belgium considerable variability in weathers.